students, today we are going to perform a new experiment on a transformer which name is polarity test. First of all, we discuss about the polarity. If we talk about the polarity, simply we can see the positive and negative terminals of a battery. But the transformer does not have plus and minus because it is the AC machines, and this AC machines, the polarity means instantaneous polarity. So now question is there, what is the need for checking the polarity? Basically the polarity test is necessary for the parallel operation of the transformer. So in this experiment we will learn how to check the polarity. For polarity test we are using a single phase transformer. We have 220/110. 220 is the primary voltage, which is the higher side, and 110 is the secondary voltage, which is the lower side. And 3 voltmeters as per the diagram, and you know this was the auto transformer. The auto transformer is connected on the primary side to give the variable voltage. So first of all we discuss about the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, this is the primary side and secondary side. The polarity, instantaneous polarity, suppose this winding we assume capital L1 and capital L2. Similarly on the secondary side, assume this is the small a1 and small a2. So first of all we connect 1 to 1 wire and 2 to 2 wire. Between this we connect a voltmeter, like this is the VC, and 2 voltmeter, like this is the VA and this is the VB. So we have 3 voltmeters, VA, VB and VC. As per the readings we can obtain, we make the observations table VA, VB and VC. So how to connect the circuits? First of all we connect 3 voltmeters and auto transformer. In this primary side, see that is the primary side, this primary side is connected to the auto transformer. So we take a wire and connect to the auto transformer here, and the voltmeter VA. This voltmeter is the VA, it is connected to the auto transformer or primary side. So it is connected in parallel. Similarly on this secondary side, a voltmeter V. This voltmeter is connected on the secondary terminals. These are the secondary terminals, red wire, and connect here. And this is the middle voltmeter, this is the VC. This voltmeter is connected to the A2 terminals, this is the A2 terminals, and this is the small A2 terminals. So depending on the reading obtained this voltmeter, we can say 2 types of polarity exist. One is the additive polarity, second is the subtractive polarity. If this voltmeter indicates the difference of VA minus VB, so we can say polarity subtractive. And now this voltmeter show the addition of VA plus PV, so we can say the polarity is right. So these 2 types of polarity we will find in this particular experiment. So we start the supply with the help of auto transformer. Initially we keep it 0 positions and switch on. And we gradually increase the voltage and set the another value in the primary side. Let this is the 80. We set the value 80. So this VA value is the 80, and corresponding this we observe the secondary voltage VB. This is the approximate 40. Actually there is the error, it is showing 35, but it's near about 40. And this VC indicates the 40. So on this readings we conclude that the VC is the difference of VA minus VB. Means in that case we find the polarity is subtracted. Now for taking the second part of this test, we have to find additive polarity. So now for additive polarity, first of all we reduce the voltage and interchange the terminals. Interchange the terminals means this one terminals connect to the small a2 and this small a1 connect to the voltmeter. Means we have to change the interchange terminals. And this circuit diagram we have to apply on this transformer. But before this we switch off and interchange the terminals. Interchange the terminals means this A1 wire, this one wire, capital A1 and capital A2, capital A1, this capital A2 wire, capital A2 wire is connected to the small A1. A2 connect to the small A1. And this wire connect to the A1. A1. And voltmeter connect in parallel. And connect this VC voltmeter here. So in that connection, just to interchange the one A1, A2 small units, this A1 wire, this A1 wire is connect to the small A1 terminals and this A2 is connect to here. So in that case, we will observe the readings of VA and VB. The same voltage will apply here by switching on the switch. And same voltage 80 volt, 60, 70 and 80. So this higher voltage side 80 and secondary side 40, 40 and this VC indicates 120, approximate 120, 120. So we conclude in this additive parts, VC is equal to how much we are getting VA plus VB. VC is the 120 and V is the 80 plus 40, means we are getting the polarity additive. These two types of polarity exist in the transformer. One is the additive polarity, second is the subtractive polarity. Basically this conclusion is that in the previously the first case that we are getting the subtractive polarity, the VA minus VB. It means the same terminals are connected, plus 2 plus and minus. But in the second case, what we have to do, we just interchange the terminals and we are getting the additive polarity. So in that case, the plus terminals connect to the minus. So these two types of the polarity we have to find in the polarity test. And this polarity test is very useful in case of parallel operation of the transformer. So these readings we have to put in our journals. One is the subtractive polarity first part, and this is the additive. This is the subtractive polarity and this is the additive polarity. So,